Okay, this is a demonstration of putting the real easy bi-directional trimmer head on to show that it will work on a straight shaft and or a curved shaft trimmer machine. Curved shaft trimmer machines actually their drive shaft turns clockwise, and on the straight shaft they turn counterclockwise. And this is to demonstrate that this one trimmer head will operate and function on both. And I will assemble the trimmer head onto the straight shaft, which turns clockwise. And once the object, this is an easy load for rewinding line without having to, onto your spool without having to take it all apart. Once you put this together, you'll be able to wind after the line winds is used up. You'll be able just to cut off 30 feet and put it back on, and without having to disassemble. Okay, and this it's got a guide channel that goes through and it comes out the other end. And equal those out, and then you start winding. It has a one-way ratcheting mechanism. Typically, one-way ratcheting mechanisms are one way because they lock in the opposite direction. Anyway, she's all ready to go. I'm going to demonstrate that it actually, you'll see that it turns counterclockwise, looking down. See, it is turning counterclockwise. Now, I will show that it will dispense and it will cut off at this cutter guard. There's a blade on here. So, here, it dispensed the line out so that it hit the cutter. Again, see, cut it right off with the blade. Alright, now what we're going to do, I'm going to shut this off, and I'm going to change it out to the curve shaft, which turns, the drive shaft turns clockwise instead of counterclockwise. This trimmer head will work on either one, and that is what the invention's all about, is it's bi-directional. You don't have to change it, you don't have to change a thing. Most people though, they either have a curved shaft or they have a straight shaft machine. They don't usually have both. So the red is actually for, the red knob is got threads that left-hand threads for left-hand because the drive shaft turns left. Now we're putting this same head on here. We're going to use the black one, which has got right hand threads because this one turns right. Alright, we got that. Okay, tighten it. Alright, so I'm going to bring that in so you can see that it's shorter. The line is shorter there, and I'll show you how it dispenses to the proper length. And you'll see where this is right-handed. I mean, it turns clockwise instead of, it turns the opposite direction of that one. Looking down, it's turning clockwise. The other one turned the opposite direction. They're dispensed out properly. I'll do it again. Again, you'll see it cuts it off right at the blade. That means it's dispensed. I'll do it one more time. Cuts right off the blade. Whenever you tap it, dispenses out the line so that it replenishes. Once the line actually completely is used up, the remainder will fly out. What little's left, and then you can reload it just by lining up the arrows with the eyelets. And that's the invention. They're real easy.